Number 5. Bugatti 110. $9.5 million. 10 units are to be produced in Molsheim, France, and delivered from 2021 onwards. With a purchase price of about $9.5 million, the 110 is almost twice as expensive as the also strictly limited Devo series and has 100 more horsepower than the base version Bugatti Chiron with 1,600 horsepower. The 110 is a tribute to the legendary EB 110 from the 1990s. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.4 seconds, reach 125 mph in just 6 seconds, and break the barrier of 186 mph in only 13 seconds. However, at 236 mph, Bugatti limits its supercar. Despite the limit, the price still goes up. In this case, $9.5 million are due. Number 4. Rolls-Royce Sweptail. $13 million. Luxury steals the show from performance in the Rolls-Royce Sweptail. In essence, it is a special version of a production model commissioned by a customer who wanted to replicate the style of his own plane and yacht. Based on the Rolls-Royce Phantom, the Sweptail took 4 years to create. It was produced and sold as a unique piece. Neither the unknown customer nor Rolls-Royce themselves commented on the exact price. A sum of more than $10 million was often rumored, and many media outlets estimate a price around $13 million. Number 3. Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta, $15 million. Only 3 limited edition supercars were produced, and out of these 3 Barchettas, only 2 are available for customers, with one going to company founder Horacio Pagani himself. The HP in the name of the 760 horsepower sports car stands for the founder's initials. The HP Barchetta is the most expensive, demanding, and exclusive version of the Zonda, the car with which Horacio Pagani began his adventure in the world of supercars. Under the hood lies the massive 7.3-liter Mercedes 512 engine, which is tuned for maximum performance. Although the price has never been officially communicated, experts strongly believe it to be close to the $15 million mark. Number 2. Bugatti La Voiture Noire, $16.7 million. The silver medal goes to car manufacturer Bugatti, whose models are the most frequently represented in the ranking of the world's most expensive cars. La Voiture Noire, French for the black car, was the car with which Bugatti celebrated its 100th anniversary. The body is made of deep black carbon, with each individual part crafted by hand. The reinterpretation of the lost Bugatti Type 57 SC Atlantic from the 1930s was produced as a one-off and sold to an unknown buyer for the astronomical sum of $16.7 million. The buyer was the subject of wild speculation at the 2019 Geneva Motor Show, with various media reports suggesting that the most likely candidate was multiple World Footballer of the Year, star striker Cristiano Ronaldo. However, these rumors have yet to be confirmed. The Bugatti La Voiture Noire has a 16-cylinder W engine with 1,500 horsepower and a top speed of 260 miles per hour. Bugatti itself does not view the one-off car as an extreme supercar, but rather describes it as a comfortable long-distance coupe. Number 1. Rolls-Royce Boat Tail, $23 million. Recently unveiled, the new Rolls-Royce Boat Tail was built only 3 times, and all models have already been sold. The car is rumored to have cost around $23 million, but the manufacturer has not officially disclosed the sale price. What makes this car special is that it not only has a rear end that resembles a yacht, but also a picnic function, where a picnic set is ejected from the wooden rear. In the trunk, there is also a cooled compartment for champagne and a special umbrella. Rumor has it that the first model was sold to the couple Jay-Z and Beyoncé. Rolls-Royce has not yet revealed the horsepower of the currently most expensive car in the world.